Penguins, those charismatic, waddling birds of the Southern Hemisphere, are a source of endless fascination. Their tuxedo-like plumage, unique adaptations for survival in extreme environments, and complex social behaviors have captivated human imagination for centuries. From the icy landscapes of Antarctica to the warmer shores of the Galapagos Islands, penguins have carved a niche for themselves in some of the most challenging habitats on Earth. Penguins belong to the order Spheniciformes, a group of flightless birds that have evolved remarkable adaptations for aquatic life. Their wings have been modified into flippers, which they use for powerful underwater propulsion. Their dense bones and streamlined bodies help them to navigate efficiently through the water. Their black and white plumage provides camouflage, with the black back blending with the dark depths of the ocean and the white belly camouflaging against the bright surface when viewed from below. A thick layer of blubber and dense feathers provide insulation against the cold, allowing them to survive in frigid temperatures. 17 different species of penguins exist, each with its own unique characteristics and distribution. They range in size, from the tiny little penguin to the majestic emperor penguin, the largest penguin species. Penguins inhabit a variety of environments, from the icy wastelands of Antarctica to the warmer, more temperate regions of South Africa, South America, and even the Galapagos Islands. Their diet consists primarily of krill, fish, and squid, which they hunt underwater. Penguins are highly social animals, often forming large colonies for breeding and nesting. These colonies can number in the thousands, creating a cacophony of calls and activity. Social behavior is crucial for survival, providing warmth, protection from predators, and assistance in raising young. Penguins communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including squawks, honks, and trumpeting calls, as well as through body language and displays. Breeding strategies vary among penguin species, but many share common features. Most penguins are monogamous, forming pair bonds that can last for several breeding seasons. Nesting sites are often chosen carefully, and some species build elaborate nests from pebbles, sticks, or even burrows in the ground. Both parents typically participate in incubating the eggs and raising the chicks. The male emperor penguin, for example, undertakes the arduous task of incubating the single egg for over 2 months during the harsh Antarctic winter, while the female travels to sea to forage for food. During this time, the male endures extreme cold and fasting, losing a significant portion of his body weight. Once the female returns, she takes over incubation duties, and the male goes to sea to replenish his reserves. Both parents then share the responsibility of caring for the chick, feeding it regurgitated food and protecting it from predators and the elements. Chicks form crushes, or groups, for warmth and protection while their parents are foraging at sea. As the chicks mature, they develop their adult plumage and learn to swim and hunt on their own. Penguins face a number of challenges in the 21st century. Climate change is having a significant impact on their habitats, particularly in Antarctica. Rising temperatures are causing sea ice to melt, reducing the availability of breeding grounds and affecting prey distribution. Changes in ocean currents can also disrupt food chains, making it more difficult for penguins to find food. Pollution, both chemical and plastic, poses a threat to penguins and their environment. Entanglement in fishing gear and oil spills can have devastating consequences for penguin populations. Overfishing is another major concern, as it reduces the availability of prey for penguins. Competition with other marine animals for food resources can also be a challenge. Human activities, such as tourism and research, can disturb penguin colonies and disrupt their breeding cycles. Introduced species, such as rats and cats, can prey on penguin eggs and chicks, further threatening their survival.